Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your GA4 properties and events for SEO tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Google Analytics account. Select the GA4 property that you wish to transfer. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left of the screen. In the property column, click on Data Streams. Choose the web data stream that you want to transfer. Now, locate the Measurement Protocol section. Click Create Measurement Protocol API Secret. Make sure to name your API secret for easy identification. Once created, copy the API secret to your clipboard. Next, open your SEO tracking tool that you plan to use. In the SEO tool, locate the Settings or Configuration area. Find the option for integrating with Google Analytics. Paste your copied API secret into the designated field in the SEO tool. Now, go back to your GA4 property. Click on Events in the Property column. Identify the events that are crucial for your SEO tracking. Take note of each event name and their parameters. In your SEO tool, look for the event tracking configuration. Manually input the event names and parameters from your GA4 property. Make sure the event names match exactly. Double-check all configurations for accuracy. Conduct a test event in GA4 to verify the integration. Navigate back to the SEO tool and check for successful data reception. If the test is successful, you're ready to start tracking. Monitor your reports in both GA4 and your SEO tracking tool for accuracy. Adjust any settings as needed based on your initial data. This setup will help you effectively track SEO metrics using GA4 events. Ensure to frequently review your data and stay updated with any changes in GA4 features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.